You're watching News Leader 9 with Cheryl Renee and meteorologist Greg Majewski.
Let's take a look at Columbus Park Crossing from our Alpha Insurance Skycam at the Ashley Furniture Home Store. Temperature 66 degrees. Greg joins us now with a look at our forecast. And I know we were dealing with some fog earlier today.
Yeah, and that's what that is. That's the fog. It's kind of lifted, but hasn't burned off just yet.
Right.
And we're still waiting for it to
clear. And it hasn't warmed our temperatures up.
Hasn't yet, because we're going to get that now. It's eroding away around the edges, but it seems to be the thickest right over Columbus right now. So,
okay.
What are you going to do? Wait for the sunshine. That's what we're going to wait for. Look at what's trending with the forecast. And remember, as always, you can follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. Not as warm today, but still above average, assuming we break those clouds. We were going for highs today into the upper 70s to around 80, but that may be in question if we don't bust some sunshine soon. Cold front, though, will be arriving for tomorrow with some scattered rain showers in here with that frontal system, and then cooler for Halloween and cooler still with another front coming in heading into the weekend. So we'll show you that in the 7-day here in just a second. Radar looking all clear for this afternoon, although we're having to deal with those pesky clouds out there that just won't get on out of here. And look how it's impacted the temperature. They're breaking some sunshine down in Eufaula. They're at 73 degrees, but 63 here in Columbus, 64 in Auburn, 65 in Tuskegee, and 70 degrees in Thomaston. So you kind of get the sun around the periphery, and it's eating those clouds slowly but surely away. You can see this on the satellite radar imagery. You can see it's just starting to break up now. So over the next hour or so, the sunshine should begin to increase, and the temperatures will warm up quickly as a result. But it may not get quite as warm as we were expecting. Waiting on this cold front that's going to be arriving into our area coming into tomorrow and ushering the cooler weather as we're watching a little bit of a pattern shift here. Notice the dip here in the jet stream. That's where that cold front currently is sitting, and it's going to get progressively deeper. That's going to allow the cooler air to funnel down. Notice the color contours up here getting colder as we're seeing the cool air come on down, and that's going to settle in for the weekend. So definitely looking at below normal temperatures as a result of this configuration of the jet stream. So as we take a look at futurecast, go and kick this into motion for you. Again, should burn off that clouds, get some sunshine in here. Then here comes the cold front for tomorrow. Could see some scattered showers. Couldn't rule out a rumble of thunder. Not out of the question, but generally should just be some showers in the forecast as this moves on through. Cooler weather will be arriving heading into Thursday, and Friday morning will also be a cool start for Halloween, and for the trick-or-treaters, great weather overall. Looks like all you'll need is a light jacket and some great weather. Here's what we're expecting for this afternoon. Assuming we get some sunshine in here into the 70s to near 80 degrees for locations across the region for the day. Looking at 79 for Auburn, 80 Columbus, 79 at Buena Vista, and for the areas down toward the south, looking at 83 for Eufaula and 82 degrees over into Dawson. Looking at the next 7 days, so as we break the temperatures down a little bit. 78 degrees on Wednesday, 72 on Thursday, and those overnight lows dropping down into the lower 50s. And as we head for the rest of the 7-day, Halloween still looking pretty good. Low 70s, upper 40s for lows, and the cooler still for Saturday and Sunday as we fall back into the 60s for highs. Overnight lows in the 40s. Sunday morning down to 42. That means some of those suburbs again might be flirting with a few upper 30s in there.
Wow, that's going to be kind of cold.
Getting kind of chilly for the weekend.
All right, thank you so much, Greg. Well, speaking of day